Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emily and in today's video I will be sharing two cards that I created for Easter. And I started off by cutting the new spring words from vellum. I used the vellum for the shadow piece and then some gold and some foam for the central part or the text itself. Then I also cut the French egg and the French tulip. You will see the egg here on screen. And then I cut the French to be in different sizes. And you can see I used some pattern papers and I just used my scissors to make my cut perfect. And then I glued to the top of the egg, and I will do the same thing to the next egg here. And then I can glue that one on top as well. And we can have a perfect egg, and you can see I messed up and I will glue that in place as well. And I will do the exact same thing for the tulips. I will attach the top with some liquid glue, then I will cut. And now I didn't use my trimmer because I thought I messed up too much. So I went ahead and just used my scissor and did some eyeballing, just trying to cut straight. It's not my best. I'm not that great at it. So you can see here I'm going back actually to cut a little bit off, changing my mind because I'm afraid to mess it up. And now I will create an envelope, and you can see I cut from the A2 gift card envelope. I love this set. If you just have to pick out one from this release, it would probably be this one for me because I love the layering pieces. You can see them here on screen in a second. But for the envelope part itself, I just cut the base part out of some really heavy white cardstock, and I'm attaching the sides now. And then I will have my pattern paper. You have options how you could just leave it like this if you like, but I love how it looks when it's layered. I had one a little bit too high up, so I just needed to crease that a little bit heavier so I could see how far down and high up I could go with my sides. And then I could attach the beautiful pattern paper. I cut these out using that stitched piece that also are included. I will do the same thing for the other side. Super sweet. I just love how this turns out. Love the rainbow paper and the white, by the way. And now I'm trying to figure out what I think looks nicest, and I decided to go ahead and have the bottom closed on top instead of on the inside. You could do both if you like. And then the idea is that the recipient will rip this package open when it's arriving, so that you can do when you are ready to send your card out. I wasn't ready yet because I needed to film this, and I also wanted to take some beautiful pictures of my project before I committed and wrote a message and then sent it away. So I will keep mine open. For my card itself, you can see that beautiful rectangle in the background. That comes in that A2 gift card, and it comes in many different sizes. I just love that. I think this is a phenomenal set. I will use it a lot. I love it. I think it's so pretty. For the bunny, it's from the Slimline Bunny, and it's just adorable. This is the middle size. There are 3 different sizes in this set, and this is the middle one, and it also comes with those cute hearts for the nose. You can definitely use them for the eyes or something else, but I just use it for the nose for this. And then I just use my fingers and sort of made the French look a little bit more messy. And we have our sentiment on top. So extra is my sentiment. I thought it was fitting with those eggs on top of that panel. So sweet. And for my second card, you can see I cut the same beautiful rectangle with that set, the A2 gift card envelope set. And then I have my tulips and some leaves from the beautiful leaves set. Just love it. I cut those. I have some foam to the back, and then we can attach this to the front of our card. And then I could just go ahead and keep going with the next one. We will have them around my panel. You can see here how cute that turned out. I just love it. And we have oh hello, our sentiment is ready to go in a second here as well. Some more foam for my last flower, and then we can have the leaves tucked in the back. I just love that I can pick them up with the foam itself on the back of this. And then we will just figure out the placement a little bit heavier when we are committing to this. I just have them pressed down when I'm ready to have them attached. And then we have our oh hello, and then we can just use some clear sequins around our panel. So here is a closer look at our 2 cards and the envelope for today's projects. So I will have links down below for all of the products that I used in this video, and of course you can use my coupon code for 10% off your purchase if you like to use that. I will be so happy, and I hope you will enjoy that too. So thank you so much, and I will see you soon. Bye!